It weighs 215 pounds. Maximum user weight 300 pounds. Maximum speed 10 miles per hour. Maximum incline 10%. Motor rating 2.6 horsepower. The installation was fairly easy. However, I had to drill a bigger hole on the upright left beam, because the bolt didn't align with the welded thread. I want to go straight to the point. Before you buy, please consider. Ease of screen interface functionality is a bit lagging when touching screen. Bluetooth is only for speaker, headphone, and heart rate monitor. If you want to listen to your phone or other music device using the equipment's speaker, you have to hook a 3.5mm auxiliary cable jack. The component is marketed for iFit programs only. It is not an entertainment console. You must use your own devices to watch and play non-supported apps or music. Wi-Fi is required in order to use some preloaded workout iFit app. Although it came with 1-year iFit Coach membership, there's a fee ranging from $39 to $396 per year thereafter. You can use the T7 manually without Wi-Fi. This piece of equipment is basic and in my opinion best for light workout. At 160 pounds when starting at level 1, the motor seems to struggle just a little bit, so I quickly started on level 2 to begin my warm-up. It is fitted with 2 fans to help cool off. It is a foldable treadmill designed to save space. Perfect for small homes. Features quick speed control, fan panel, volume control, and auxiliary input. Turning it on takes a few minutes for the system to boot. Make sure to install the magnetic safety key. It won't start without it. Not bad for a treadmill. But if you are looking for a little bit more, this is not it. Limited Bluetooth connectivity. Sometime the screen is lagging. Could have needed a little more horsepower. Some of the parts didn't align. If I were to rate 1 to 5 star, I'd rate it at 2.5 star. Just make sure this is what you exactly want. Here we go. Let's put this baby to test.